Good morning, everyone. It's Rachel here, and we are doing our Roxy's Journal of Stitchery. I just wanted to show you that I have done all of my applique. I took off the orange just so I didn't cover up too much of my weaving. And I've stitched down my bird, and now I'm going to start playing around with the wings. So I wanted to choose a colour. See, I'm in a big mess as usual. And I will bring you down close. I'm just going to choose a colour first. I might use a pearly cotton, and I think I might go with a nice pinky raspberry red like that. Okay. So I'll thread my needle. See if I can get it through this one. And I'm just going to attach these first two wings. Oh, the other thing I need to do is just do a little invisible stitch down there to fold that around. So I'll put this one on first. I'm going to do, you probably won't be able to see all my stitches, but I'm just going to hold them on with big stitches like this. Oh, I was going to bring you down closer, just a sec. Okay, and move over here. There we go. So how is everyone today? I hope you're well. It's a little bit humid here today, so I'm feeling, it makes me feel tired. Let's take that out. I've got my window open so you might be able to hear the birds. And then I'll have to figure out the composition for the wing. So let's just plug that in there. Right, I've got to get the wing happening. That's a bigger one. So that one can go there. And don't have that colour. If I don't keep, double checking what my wing's supposed to look like, then I'll get it all wrong. No, I don't want those two together. It's going to be a bit like that. So I'm going to pin these, and I'll just have to work. It'll be a little bit fiddly. I have to work behind them. So first I'm going to stitch on this one. Sometimes you just have to do it like that just so you can get your composition right. The fiddly way. Okay, and then we'll do this one. And then let me just see, now that one's moved. So we'll just take these off. I want to bring this one in a little bit. And And then I'll need a new thread for the last 3. Are we focused? We weren't focused. I'm sorry, guys. I think we weren't focused. Oh dear. Okay, so we were out of focus. I'm very sorry about that. I'm just debating whether or not I'll cut that bit out where I stitched on these or not. I'm very, very sorry about that, but I can't. I hadn't noticed that it was out of focus. It's not that bad, but I know I get a lot of complaints and I don't know if I can cope. So I may cut a little bit out, I think. That I'll have to end it off because I've finished over there. So just finishing stitching on the wings. The wing. Put that one over there. And then the lighter one in the middle. It's quite thick because it's all felted wool, and we're already working through quite a few layers, so that, and then that one's going to go maybe at a very, I don't want it shooting straight up, maybe like that. Ow, I stabbed myself. So you can see the stitches peekabooing. From behind, you know, each sort of, let's call them feathers. Okay. Let's see. Now I'm wondering if I want to put more stitches there. Let's just see. I can take them out if I don't like them. If I don't like them, they will be cut out. Can't get it to go into that piece. I want it to be a little bit messy. It's all looking a little bit too regular for me. Yeah, okay. Right, so we can put those away. Now, oh, actually, I think I wanted to do some more stitching with that. Just a sec. Sorry, I know what I wanted to do. I forgot when I was doing my messy stitching there. I forgot what I wanted to do. I love this colour. I think it's one of the ones I got from the sewing basket in the box, the $10 box that had all the threads in it. I want to do some messy stitches along the tail here. So I don't know how much I really have a lot. I don't know that I have, you know, a huge amount to do, because I'm not doing heaps and heaps of embroidery on this. But I am going to add beads. Oh, I know what else I wanted to add. I think I might add a little piece of lace. I think we'll do the beads next week, and then it will be done. So there's my messy bit on the tail. I won't be wasting any of this thread. I'll be hanging on to that. Love it. Okay. So then I did have a little scrappy piece of lace here that I thought was just flying around. I thought I might attach that somewhere. Here I was going to attach it. So I might snip some off. Just put a little bit. Let me see. Sort of like its belly. That's what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to stitch that on there, and then I wanted to see one more thing. And I'll start down here so it goes along the edge of the body. I think it just adds a little bit of texture. It's very random. Just sort of, that piece was lying around, I just picked it up. I thought, oh, I'll add that. I couldn't remember where. Whoops. Oh, I got lost in my thoughts. I think my brother's coming next week because he's coming over to Europe for work and he's got a few days. So he always tries to come and visit us, and that hasn't happened since before COVID. So that's exciting. But we're not back in our place, so that's not exciting. He doesn't get to go and stay there. But next time when he comes, we will be in. And I'll decide after, when I put the beads on, I'll decide if I want to put any stitches around this lacy bit. Okay, well that was a quick video today. So I'm going, because I'll leave the beading till next week because then I think it'll nearly be done. I just want to look at one more thing before I go. I'll leave that threaded so I can go along and stitch down all of that. And I was wondering whether I wanted to, I didn't want it to look like a moon though. Could be a sun. If I should put that up there. I think I should. What does everyone think? I'll wait for your opinion whether I should put that up there or not. I quite like that. Or with or without. Even without. Maybe without. I don't know. I'll wait for you guys to... Let's see what the consensus is, whether I should put the little disc there or not. Because it's a bit plain up there. I could put a laundry label up there, but I always put laundry labels, so maybe we won't have a laundry label this week. So there we go. So that was my very quick video today. I'll debate whether or not to leave my blurry bit in or not. I think I'll cut it out. It was just stitching these down. You saw the last three and the first stitch going into the first one. So yeah, I might cut it out, and then we're going to be doing some beading as well. So I hope you have a great week, and thank you so much for watching, and see you again soon. Bye.